It's 3 a.m. and I just want a freebie on Aliexpress. I'm so pumped up right now, I don't even know if I can go back to bed. Hey Google, turn the light to blue. We use Aliexpress to buy things that are normally expensive, but you think to yourself, must be really cheap to actually produce. And it's the morning, so I'm so excited to finish this video. And I wanted to tell you a big reason I use Aliexpress is for a little thinking of you gifts. It's not a huge commitment if they don't like it, and it's better than a card.
All right, this is Aliexpress. When you're searching things on Aliexpress, my tip, this is pretty much what I do for every website. Price low to high, free shipping. Oh, I did price high to low. Man, those must be some pretty dang good cups. Okay, and this is how you're gonna find your super cheap deals. Let's click my orders here. Some masks. This is interesting. Notice it says Masca. The reason it says that, as far as I can tell, is Aliexpress didn't want you buying certain masks. Like, they wanted you to buy specific kinds of masks. So the dealers had to shift around the wording of masks, the spelling of masks, so you could find them. You'll see this one says masks. I love this mask though. You got a guitar hook for $2.30. This is a fun little toothbrush holder that I put in the medicine cabinet to hide our toothbrushes at our old house. A quick word about makeup. It's super fun and cheap to buy on AliExpress to play with. However, you might order one color, think it's gonna look like this, and it really ends up like this. However, as long as you don't expect that you're getting a high-end quality in longevity and texture, you're gonna be fine. All right, back to my orders. Again, not gonna be the same quality as wherever you buy anime stuff from, but it gets the job done. I would highly recommend buying phone cases on AliExpress. They're like $1 and they work perfectly. There's so many different kinds.
Keith's Sloth cufflinks. My Billie Eilish-esque chains. I just realized my shirt's inside out. I use AliExpress to buy little thingies, which is the best word I can think of at 3 a.m. Whew. This is good. This is really good. All this for a pair of sunglasses that I still have to, by the way, review. And when am I gonna wear these sunglasses? When? Oh. And when is Keith gonna wear these? These are mints.